Hello, my name is Misty. I am a tutor at the Student Success Center for San Juan College. Today, I would like to talk to you about a recording and editing software called TechSmith Knowmia. In the last video, we discussed how to edit your recorded video using the video editor. In today's video, I want to go over some tips to use when you are ready to add captions to your video. I want to start today's tutorial by signing in to my TechSmith Knowmia account. In the previous tutorials, we have signed in by launching the Classic Recorder and clicking on the Login button. Today, I am going to access my account by using the link from the Useful Links slide in the previous videos. To begin, I will launch my web browser, Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome, you can use your preferred web browser. Once Google Chrome has launched, I am going to type https://sanjuancollege.techsmithrelay.com into the search bar and then hit enter on my keyboard. To sign into your TechSmith Knowmia account, please be sure to use your San Juan College email and password when you log into your account. A web page similar to what is on my screen should appear. Today, I am going to use the sample video named Demo from the last tutorial called Recording a Video. I am going to click on the selected video to open it up. Once the video has loaded, your screen should look similar to mine. Towards the bottom of the screen, you will see a menu bar with different sections similar to these. Today, we're going to be working in the accessibility section. I am wanting to add captions to this video, so I am going to click on the Add Caption Track button. A window will appear with two different options. The first option is called Speech to Text. In this option, the captions are automatically generated for the video. The second option is known as Custom. With this option, you would have to manually type the captions compared to what is being said in the video in the Caption Editor. I normally like to select the Speech to Text option. Once you have selected which option you're most comfortable with, select the Apply button. The transcribing process can be somewhat lengthy, so this would be a great time to take a break. Once your captions have been fully transcribed, you will receive an email informing you that your captions are ready for editing. Now that the captions have finished their transcribing process, it is time to select and open up the Caption Editor. You can do so by selecting this button with the pencil icon. After the Caption Editor has loaded, you will need to check for punctuation and spelling errors. You can do so within this small window, and as you can see, during the transcribing process, it's entered a period in the middle of a sentence. Please be sure to compare your transcribed captions to what is being said in the video and make corrections as needed. If you need to take a break and come back later to finish editing your captions, you can select the Save and Exit button located in the top left corner of the Caption Editor. If you have completed all corrections and your captions are now ready to be published, you can select the Publish button located in the top right corner of the Caption Editor. This brings us to the conclusion of how to caption a video in TechSmith Knowmia. Make sure to look out for our other videos on TechSmith Knowmia because they are coming soon. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the Student Success Center website by typing www.sanjuancollege.edu/tutoring center/. You can also access the videos on the San Juan College Tutoring Center Facebook page by typing www.facebook.com/tutoring/SJC/. Or you can view the videos on the San Juan College YouTube channel by typing www.youtube.com/San Juan College/Student Success Center into your web browser, and a menu of our videos will be displayed. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channels. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.